doggy, do not come over.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Yo, you want to see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Loki!
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, hope I get...
Oh my god, my Shayla, my Shayla.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's
If it isn't the consequences of my own actions, you can't have it back.
Get the fuck out of here. Okay, get the fuck out.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No.
Ballerina cappuccina. Me.
Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala, up for the layup. Oh, blocked by James.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Still don't want it? There you go. Go commit crimes. No, not that one.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, Kitty.
Said evil Kitty.
Bro, look at this! Why can't you be that calm and nice? Like...
No.
Väldigt stor dröm som har gått i uppfyllelse. Romer, kan vi få höra ert stöd?
What the? Chalupa! Chalupa! Oh my god!
better than Dahmer, and you're no better than Dolly Parton. Frosty, are you recording me again? This fucking kid with the camera, I swear he never...
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Okay, he did swallow that one, so this is oh wait. Oh God.
What do you want? I don't know.
Pet it.
So Jeff loves driving.
Sleep. What?
Hey, no bite! No biting!
Walter, I heard the brain cell's nearby. Yeah, you gotta go get it. It's over there. Go get the brain cell. Go get it. Peace offering for the gremlin. Anywhere else. I don't want my face touched. I have acne.
I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
Number
30. Do you know sine 2x over x? Max.
You know, like the kind of doctor who knows your name and makes you feel important. He just remember you. Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something.
What is wrong with these cats? Like bro, like bro, like bro, like bro, like bro, like bro, like.
Okay, ma'am, I know you're making biscuits, but what is this doing?
River. Yeah, you don't have to hide back there. I'll cuddle you. Yeah, you like it back there? Yeah, oh my goodness.
Merry Christmas, Gretchen.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
No. No. Oh. Look.
There is nothing funnier to me than when a cat finally discovers the power of its hind legs and completes its pokey evolution from cat to meerkat.
You gotta work with me, okay? You just gotta work with me. Just work with me. Oh my God, my little prince! You're my little prince. Oh my God, you're my little. Oh.
I'm so hungry I could eat bagagwa. Oh my. Oh man.
You gotta get out somehow.
Yo, what did I do? Why is everyone mad at me?
Please be nice.
Are you Khajiit? Will you provide wares for me? Present them then. There are no wares.
Hi, baby.
Love you, Sky. Let's go get you some treats. Hey.
Beth? How do I tell him without hurting his feelings that is, oh my god, in fact tearing my skin away from my body? These are thin leggings. Whoa! Holy shit, brother. Holy fucking shit, dude. I love you. Oh my god.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts. Don't do that.
Stop it.
Stop.
To put the finishing touches on this match. Roman Reigns. Oh, KO by Orton. Great ball. You're gonna deliver sweet. Oh, straight on delivery. You gotta be kidding me. How did he do it? Finishing touches on this match.
Oh, FEMA on the phone. I think we're gonna qualify after this disaster.
Fading away! Brock Lesnar is fading away! Look at this! Oh my God! The finishing touches on this match. Jay can do it. From Adam. Straight up the
Yo, whose cat is this, bro? I ain't gonna lie, he's showing me a little too much love. I don't even know, buddy. This gotta be Diddy's cat or something. Oh! Round one, I want a fair fade. Damn, they coming in hot. Okay, time out. No racial slurs this time. Okay, round two. Hey, what is it, buddy? Is that an op? What the hell are you going? You're embarrassing us! This is getting out of hand, bro. I think it's time we get Coco on a diet. Because why is he struggling sitting in the chair? Bro, how? The chair can hold 300 pounds! How long you been out on the streets for? And you think Kendi played a part in this? I bet. And if you had one message to the world, what would it be? Oh, run! Yo, we really gotta end this catnip epidemic, bro. Got a whole cat fiend over here nodding on my windowsill. Hey, bro, get a job! I'm trying to figure out where you was at. You're not coming in. Where was you at the whole last night? You brought back a black... Nah, bro, that's a setup. Coco, it's a trap. He's leading you to a drawn-out tunnel so he can move out the way last minute, yell out, meep, meep, and make you hit the wall.
I don't care if you get mad or get an attitude. It's your tail slapping on my laptop, la boy. And you need to